Hello guys. My name is Sandy. Welcome to my channel, Dazzling Crochet Trinkets. And since the weather has been starting to turn, have you seen an influx of C2C corner to corner projects, patterns, stitches? We even have the traditional corner to corner, and we have the tighter corner to corner. Then we have the corner to corner with holes in it, and then we had the checkerboard corner to corner by Fiber Spider Craig, and that one I really love. But today I'm going to break apart the corner to corner and explain to you what you need to know, how to work it up, how to start, and I'm going to do the traditional, the normal one, so let's get on to it. So corner to corner is mainly done with double crochets, but you can do it with any other stitch you like. The stitches would be tight, the project would be tight if you do it with single crochets, with half doubles. You can do it with triples, trebles if you like. You can do it with any stitch. It depends how tight, how condensed the corner to corner you would like to do, and even you can do it with many other stitches in the corner to corner fashion. So yeah, let's start. We're going to make a slip knot on our hook. You've seen me do it, so I know that one way of doing it. Okay, let's start by chaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one of the Timu yarns that I have decided to use on, I don't know, on tutorials, on stitches that I'm showing you, because to be honest, I'm not that happy with it, and I just finished one top with it with the checkerboard corner to corner stitch by Fiber Spider, and I'm in love with it. It goes really fast, and this yarn is just for that. So we have chained 6. Now we're going to do a yarn over. Then from the fourth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook, we're going to yarn over, go into the chain, pull up our yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we finished 1 double crochet. We need to place 2 more double crochets into the next 2 chains. So yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and in the last one, go through the chain, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you can tight this beginning. Hello Garfield, he's in my lap again whenever I start to talk, and he might even pop into the frame. You can see it down there. Here, his ear, yeah. So this is called a block, a corner to corner block. If you need to count how many how many blocks you need for a project, the blocks is what you count, not the stitches. So this is 1 block. You can make it with whatever stitch you like. We're using double crochets for now. That's a single crochet for the UK. So yeah, now we're going to continue. Now we are increasing for as many blocks you need for the height or width of your project. And again, whenever you're increasing, you're going to chain 4. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's 7:40 p.m. and I still cannot speak. Okay, let's chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So whenever we are increasing, going up, we need to chain 6. And again, we're going to place in the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one we don't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 4th chain, we place a double crochet. That's a single crochet for UK. And then another double crochet in the next chain, and another double crochet into the next chain. That's another block that we do. Now, in order to continue, this is the beginning of row 2. This was row 1. To continue, all you have to do is turn the first block that you have. See, you're turning it and they're going to line up naturally. Then you need to go into that initial 3 chain from the beginning, go inside, pull up a loop, and slip to close. We are starting our row number 2. And even that is easy to see. The first block is horizontal now, and the new block is vertical. So that's how you can distinguish between the blocks. Now we're going to chain 3, 2, 3, because we need another block for the row number 2. Yarn over, go inside that same space that we slip stitched in and make a double crochet. Again, another one, and the third one. So the block is the 3 chains from the beginning and the 3 double crochets. That's a whole block. You can do that with any other stitch. Believe me, it's nice. So this is our row number 2. For row number 3, we need to increase. That means we need to chain. Let me get some yarn. I should have placed it somewhere near. So yeah. Okay. We need to chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pardon, 6. That came out another. Yarn over, and from the... Wait a minute. Oh God, I choked myself. Okay, I'm sorry. Ooh, that was terrible. Okay, where was I? Okay, 1, 2, 3 in the 4th chain from the hook. You don't count this one. In the 4th chain from the hook, we go inside the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, place another double crochet into the next 2 chains, because the block is 3 chains at the beginning. It's this, and 3 double crochets. That's, again, I'm repeating, that's a block. Now we need to connect it as the beginning of row 3. So we are going to flip this and place it beside that one. Now, previously, these were up, now they're down. When you flip them, you can see them turning horizontal again. And all we need to do now to connect them is go inside the chain 3 space and slip to connect them. Slip stitch to connect them. Now we need to chain 3. We're not climbing up, we're just adding a block. We're chaining 3 and placing in the same space 3 double crochets to complete our block. And the 3rd one. This is row number 2, and this is 2 blocks in row number 3. All we do is connect them into that chain 3 space that is always on top when you're climbing up, if you like. Well, I call them stairs. They look like stairs, right? So let's chain 3, 2, and 3, and place 3 more double crochets inside that chain 3 space. If I'm too fast, please slow me down. There is a gear there that you can slow me down. We have completed another block. See that? And we have completed our row number 3. So let's climb up. We are again increasing. Now we're going to work on the row number 4. I should have done something better with this skein. I keep pulling out the yarn. Yeah, I'm prepared. Yeah, I know. Let's climb up. Let's increase. Chaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's when you do your increase. You're climbing up. You're adding a row. And again, in the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, you go into the chain and make a double crochet. Single crochet for the UK. Again. So each block is 3 chains and 3 double crochets. So this is our block for the row 4. Now we need to connect them to the row 3. And what do? We turn them. It doesn't matter which way you turn them. You can turn them this way, you can turn them this way, as long as they line up with the first block of the next row. That's okay. Now we're going into the chain 3 space and slip to close. Again, chaining 3, because we're not adding row, we are adding a block to the row. So we are going to, I don't know if I've explained that pretty well. I'm not sure. We're climbing up, okay, but we are not increasing. That's not an increase. This is just climbing up the stairs. Again, we did the chain 3, and we need to place in the same space 3 double crochets. 2 and 3. What do we do when we get to the block that we already made? All you do is go into the chain 3 space and slip stitch to close to connect them. Again, chaining 3 to climb up the stairs and 3 double crochets inside the chain 3 space. That's all there is to it. Now, this is the last one. We need to complete our row 4. 1, 2, and 3. And 3 double crochets for the block. Okay, let's say that this is the width and height of the project that you like. I have here 4 blocks here, 4 blocks there. So 4 blocks wide and 4 blocks high. Now, when you want to stop increasing, chaining 6 means an increase. All you have to do is 1, 2, chain 3, turn your work when you want to stop increasing, go inside that chain 3 space over there and slip to close. That way you have a nice edging, you know? It's not bumpy, it's not nothing, so you can do even the ribbing around it. Because corner to corner tends to need a nice ribbing to even out the sides. Now, this is what it means to decrease. You're now going to do just 3 chains when you're stopped increasing. That means that we have started to decrease. And decreasing is done at the beginning of each row. We already did that, but the blocks are the same. Chaining 3 and 3 double crochets. Again, we are connecting to the next one. You see that I have decreased already, but we're not decreasing in the number of the blocks that we have here. Only we have stopped increasing in height. Again, we are just adding a block here, 2 and 3, and then 3 double crochets inside the chain 3 space. Okay, that's 3. Yeah, I split the yarn. Never mind. I want to ignore it. Wait a minute. I got a blockage here. Okay, let's see. What is going on? Oh no. See? I don't know. I'm not happy. Why did I buy it? It was cheap. I have to admit. The yarn was cheap. But yeah. Okay. I think I'm not going to need any more. Okay. Where was I? Okay. Now we need to connect it to the block that is sitting beside us with a slip stitch. Then we're going to chain 3, 2 and 3 and place 3 double crochets inside the chain 3 space. 2 and 3. We are approaching, wait, and 3. Sorry, I got tangled up. So we are connecting to the chain 3 on top. Now we're not increasing anymore. Now we are going to sort of decrease. We are chaining 3, turning our work, and into that chain 3 space we're going to slip stitch. So there it is. We're not increasing the numbers anymore. It's 4 blocks, 5, 4 blocks. Now we need to sort of close it in, as they say, to finish that block. We are chaining just 3 and then placing 3 more double crochets inside the chain 3 space. What is wrong with this yarn? Hold on. Okay. We're going to connect again to this block beside us with a slip stitch. Now we're going to chain 3 again and place 3 more double crochets inside that chain 3 space, and 3. Then connect to the block that is right there beside you. Since we're not increasing anymore, we're sort of decreasing, and turn your work, chain 3, then turn your work and into the chain 3 space, slip stitch to connect. And the last block we have, chaining 3 and 3 double crochets inside the chain 3 space. All is left to do for the end is to slip stitch to the chain 3 space on the block beside us, and I like to finish with a chain 3, turning the work and slip stitching into that chain 3 space, chaining 2, cutting our yarn, pinch above the chain 2 and pull. So there it is. This is a small sample of corner to corner. It's very easy to learn. Once you get the hang of it, you're gonna fly. This stitch works up pretty fast, and it's good for the blankets, good for the shawls, good for anything. So yeah, that's it for me for now. If you liked it, you know what to do. You know what algorithm loves to do that. So like, subscribe, ask me questions, I can help you even more. Okay, that's it for me. Be kind to yourself. Just be kind. Kindness is free. So yeah, be kind and stay safe, stay warm, stay cool, drink a lot of water, eat well, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.